This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Audra Burge. What a charming house to call home. It is definitely worth a visit. This home flows from room to room with an open floor plan. Also featuring a cathedral ceiling in the living room with a great dining area and additional family room. The master also impresses with great space and a cathedral ceiling, as well a master bath with his and her sink, walk-in shower, a relaxing garden tub. Call today to go see this beauty. For more information, review the details below.